Ooh, all of the bitches anxiety, cars robotic, we go retarded. Hop in the foreign, don't need the top. When I get home, I need the top. Louis Vuitton when I leave the house. She got an ass and I grease them out. She wanna twerk when I leave the house. Gucci the belt and don't leave it out. Yeah, I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh, Kool-Aid jammer. Cookie pack on camera. Yeah, yeah.
Good morning, guys. It's Tajane, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm doing an unboxing of my curl kit. Came in packet like this, package like this. So yeah, I'm about to open this box for y'all. Now, this video is not sponsored. Paid for this on my own money. It took approximately, I ordered it the first of the month probably, and it took like it probably wasn't the first of the month, but it felt like it's been 10 days. I really don't hold you up. I feel like it's been 10 days. I ordered this the same time I ordered my Fenty Beauty bras. So, yes. This is how it comes. I don't know what's in it. So, yeah. We're about to slide it off. Comes with a curl kit sticker. I feel like this is Cream of Nature. I really do. And I really don't rock with Cream of Nature products like that. Oh, it's not Cream of Nature. I see a little sneak peek, but here's Eden Body Works Hydrate and Style Hibiscus Honey. It's just telling you what the products are. And it says need style flexibility. So that's what that is. This is a Curl Life. It's like a magazine. It's gonna say it's a magazine. Best of the best. Inside notes. What is the LC method, which is the lock method, and why should I use it? I use the LCO method, so I like the LCO method better, but yeah. So this is how the box comes. So it's actually Cream of Nature and Shea Moisture, and I've been needing. They knew I needed these. I've been needing these wipes, so I got some facial wipes, soothe normal dry skin, removes makeup dirt without rinsing or drying. Shea Moisture raw shea butter hydrating facial wipes. This came in clutchy clutch because I really been needing these. I just haven't bought none, so I basically did buy some. Then I got Mystic Black Novex deep hair mask, free of parabens, petrolatum, silicones, and sulfates. And it got bamboo oil. We're just gonna look at these. Smell nice. And this is the texture of it. It's actually kind of a thick product, so it might just be made for my hair. Then we got the Cream of Nature straightening hair mask for dry damaged hair. Oh, strengthening hair mask, but I mean my hair not dry or damaged, but I do be loving to wear hair mask from them. Okay, I need to stop looking at the box, but yeah, they gave me this, and then I have a lot of body Control Me Edge Gel Black. I don't like edge control black edge control at that. Only edge control I do use is really, I forgot the name, but it's very common. Everybody else been using the gel, but I use that edge control. Then they gave me the Eden Curl Hydration, the conditioner, Eden Body Works. So I will be either doing a wash and go with this, or I don't know, but I really like this. Or using it after I shampoo. And then they gave me a Cream of Nature sulfate-free moisture and shine shampoo. And after that, the box is pretty empty. So yeah, I really like this curl kit. I really like this curl kit. This is one of the best ones. The last time they gave me an Uncommon line, and I did not know anything about that line, so it was like, okay. But I really like this one. It came with very needed things, so I'm really happy, and you're gonna start seeing me use my products sooner or later. And if you guys want to sign up, I will put the link in the description to sign up and for you to get your own curl kit. It's my curl kit, and if you want one, get you one. It's very convenient. It's $20 for 4 size products. It's really worth the money. So I will be ordering my next month's curl kit, even though I got braids right now, and I might have braids next month too, but I just need to stock up my curl products. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's Tajanae, not Tajanae, not Tajana. It's Tajanae.
No smoke, no smoke.